Hello! So today I'm going to be cooking from Genevieve Taylor's Charred. Look at that, all shiny. I'm going to be cooking carrot and cumin fritters. I'm not going to be doing it on the barbecue. Can't be bothered. So I'm going to be doing it on the hob in a pan. I've got all my ingredients prepped. So let's have a look what we need. So I've got all my ingredients ready. I've got 250 grams of coarsely grated carrot, 1 medium finely chopped red onion, salt and pepper, 100 grams of gram flour or chickpea flour, 2 eggs, 100 ml of water, and then here I have 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and the recipe does call for 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds. I've only got ground coriander, so I've gone for about 3/4 of a tablespoon of ground coriander. So I need to bung it all in a bowl, mix it up and get going. So I've mixed up my carrot and my onion. Now it's time to add everything else. So I'm going to put in there my gram flour, 2 eggs, which I've got from a local farm in Wroughton in Swindon. Stick in my 100 ml of water and then add my spices. And I shall season that with salt and black pepper and give it a good old mix. So my mixture for my carrot and cumin fritters is resting for about 20 minutes. And this is going to be served with a tahini and coriander yoghurt. So in a bowl ready for mixing, I have 200 grams of yoghurt. I've used natural yoghurt delivered again by a local farm from Wroughton. And I've also got in there 3 tablespoons of tahini. Into that, I am going to add 1 crushed garlic clove and then good generous handful of chopped coriander. Season that with salt and pepper, give it a good stir around, and that's my dressing. It's now time to get cooking my fritters. So I've got a heavy pan on the heat. That has been on the heat for a good 5 to 10 minutes. It is hotter than the gates of hell. So I'm going to add a little bit of oil to the pan. Give that a bit of a swirl around. And then to cook the fritters, I'm going to be adding a couple of dollops of the batter for the fritters in at a time. Sorry, trying to record and look at this as well. There you go, dollop them in and fry them off for 2 or 3 minutes on each side. So everything's all done, the dressing's done, the fritters are cooked, and I've dressed my plate with a basic salad, and I've made a onion, tomato and cucumber salad with some coriander, mint and a bit of turmeric. Now I'm going to dress it with, well actually not dress it, but put on 3 fritters, that should be plenty. And then top it with the tahini and coriander dressing. And there you have carrot and cumin fritters with a tahini and coriander yoghurt cooked from Genevieve Taylor's Seared.